you eating a piece of ice, mister?
Hey, don't do that. Why don't you drink some of the water?
What?
Yeah, drink. Good job, bud. Good job, buddy.
Where you going, bud? Thank you. Oh, you gonna clean it up?
No way.
Good boy.
Good job,
Thank you.
Pepe.
You knew where to get that rack and everything. Good job, thanks. You gonna put it back? Oh, you gonna clean the floor? Ah, good job. She's like, I'm trying to sleep too. You say she's trying to sleep.
Come on, let's get out of there.